Photography all morning. The crew just called me up. They've got a bunch of ground sirloin and ground lamb out. We're going to be making a huge batter for what's going to be a bunch of meatballs. Can't wait to get my hands in it.
Lamb and sirloin meatballs? Yum!
You know, going on 10 years. I've never had, when I order ground sirloin or ground lamb, it is absolutely beautiful stuff. Look at that. Putting all that natural hydration back into the meat. When you're using a 93.7 blend, it's a fairly dry meat, putting all that goodness.
Favorite part, getting my hands in it.
That's gonna be some good stuff right there.
Set overnight, we're making the meatballs tomorrow.
To the office today, I get to travel a boulevard called Freedom Parkway. All right, here we go. What's up there, Cairo?
Nothing.
Hey, Chef.
What's happening?
How are you?
What's up, pal?
You man.
How you doing, Chef?
Good. What's up, Cole?
Hey Chef, how you doing?
Good, man.
Hi, Chef. 6.5 ounces of goodness.
That's my newest graduate, Kennesaw State University.
Yep.
Working at an attorney firm, still checking into Chef Kern stuff. Look at that. Roll up some meatballs.
You're crazy.
Over here at Chef Kern's working on our vegetarian stuffed eggplant dish that is for those that don't eat meatballs. It is tasty, delicious. It's going to be a nice center plate.
I am meatball.
We prepped out a bunch of fantastic food today. We have a sit-down gourmet dinner coming up for 500 guests. Y'all check us out Thursday night.